Hello everyone. Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and living your best life. Today, we're diving into something that can truly change your life: mindfulness. You've probably heard about it, but what actually happens when you practice mindfulness every single day? Stick around, because the results might surprise you. All right, let's start with the basics. Mindfulness is all about being present, fully aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. And when you practice it daily, the benefits go way beyond just feeling calm. First up, stress levels drop. Studies show that mindfulness lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, helping you feel less anxious and more in control. Imagine starting your day without that overwhelming feeling. Sounds pretty great, right? And let's talk about sleep. Practicing mindfulness before bed can actually rewire your brain, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. No more tossing and turning. Next, your focus and productivity skyrocket. When you train your mind to stay in the present, distractions lose their power over you. So whether it's work, studying, or even daily conversations, mindfulness helps you stay sharp. But it's not just about you. Your relationships improve too. Mindfulness teaches you to respond instead of react, meaning fewer arguments and deeper connections with the people you care about. And that's just the beginning. Practicing mindfulness daily can truly transform your mind and body in ways you never expected. So, are you ready to give it a try? Let me know in the comments. What's one thing you'll do today to be more mindful? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more wellness tips from Health Options 101. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.